go with WTI.
I have been very impressed by this Rolling Dog angled paintbrush in the size 2.5, which comes as a 2-pack. It is perfect for cutting in as it gives a really nice crisp edge. It doesn't leave a lot of brush marks either, and I found it really useful for cutting in for on trim work or even on the ceiling. The bristles are made up of synthetic filament and it gives a really smooth finish. The worst thing when you're painting with a new brush is for it to lose bristles or for them to come out. I did not have that problem whatsoever with these brushes. The brush handle was made of wood and had nice engraving that helped with the grip as well. This is recommended to use with latex paint, and that's what I used with it and had great success. This is the brush after I washed it, and it held up really well, so you'll be having this brush for years to come.
And that's my point of view.